Imagine all your favorite AI tools, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Llama, all in one single place. Yeah, no more switching tabs or juggling subscriptions. That's exactly what NinjaChat.ai just did. They've combined the world's best AI models into one powerful platform. And now, they've dropped a brand new update that changes everything. It's not just another AI chat app. This thing now has real-time AI search, financial analysis, academic research, and even creative tools like image and music generation, all powered by your favorite models. So today, let's break down what's new, how it actually works, and why NinjaChat might just be the best all-in-one AI platform of 2025. Let's jump right in. New feature, AI search. Let's talk about the star of this update, AI search. It's not your regular search bar. This thing connects directly to the internet and gives you live, real-time results, powered by whichever AI model you choose. That means no more outdated answers, no more limited data. You're getting instant, verified, and summarized info from any AI model you pick. And that's where NinjaChat stands out. It's not just searching, it's thinking for you. Let's go over the 4 modes that make this so powerful. 1. General web search. This is your window to everything happening in the world right now. Type your question, like latest AI hardware launches this week, and it instantly scans the web to give you a fresh, summarized answer. And here's what's awesome. You can switch AI models on the fly. Ask the same question to GPT-4, Claude, or Perplexity, and compare their takes side by side. No other AI platform makes that this easy. 2. Financial analysis mode. Next, there's financial mode, built for traders, investors, and anyone following the market. You can ask NinjaChat to analyze real-time stock data, summarize quarterly reports, or even compare market positions, like Nvidia versus AMD. It's like having your personal finance analyst, powered by AI. 3. Academic research mode. Now this one, total game changer for students and researchers. Instead of spending hours digging through papers, ask NinjaChat to summarize the latest peer-reviewed studies on topics like solid-state batteries or AI ethics. It fetches, filters, and summarizes the latest academic sources in seconds, saving you time and brain power. 4. Regular chat mode. And of course, the classic chat mode is still here. You can brainstorm ideas, fix code, write content, translate, or even compare how different models respond. Basically, NinjaChat gives you full creative freedom with whichever AI you trust most. Other tools still included. All the previous tools are still here too, like the AI Playground, where you can open multiple chats at once and sync prompts across models to compare responses in real time. There's also the AI Library, packed with tools for humanizing text, writing hooks, or composing emails without needing fancy prompts. And yes, the AI image generator and music creator are still part of the package, perfect for content creators, developers, or anyone building online. Pricing and plans. Now, here's the crazy part. The pricing. You can start at just $9 a month with 1,000 messages. The $18 plan gets you 5,000 messages, plus 100 image and 40 music generations. And if you want to go unlimited, it's only $25 a month. That's cheaper than ChatGPT Plus, and you get way more power and features. With this new AI search feature, NinjaChat has gone from being a cool AI app to being one of the most complete AI ecosystems available right now. It's smart, fast, and perfect for creators, researchers, and anyone using AI daily. So if you want to try it out, check the link in the description, NinjaChat.ai. Go explore it yourself and see how far AI has come. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe to Schaffen Tech, and stay tuned for more powerful AI tools coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.